replacing the previous generation RXL 3-row SUV in the Lexus lineup will be this 2024 Lexus TX SUV, which is underpinned by the Toyota Grand Highlander. The RXL was never particularly roomy in the rearmost seat, but the TX should offer plenty of space for adults to settle in back there. North America Lexus released only one cut behind the car body that was moved from the side. However, this alone tells me a lot. This is because the base Grand Highlander has already been announced. The TX will be an all-new model and an all-new nameplate for the Lexus brand when it goes on sale in early 2024. It's possible that the TX will be offered in more variants, but for now, we know of just two, TX350 and TX500h. We expect the TX350 to be offered with a traditional gasoline-powered 6 engine, while the TX500h is likely to use the 367 horsepower hybrid powertrain from the 2-row RX. Considering the Lexus brand image, the TX is likely to have a luxury line with 2 rows of seats in the spacious interior. Since Cadillac is importing the Escalade with a total length of 5.4 meters, if this TX is also introduced to Japan, it seems that there will be a lot of needs. Either way, North America is likely to see TX this summer.